Taking a look at Sonic Phantom from the previous video, we can see that Sonic has actually crashed down to the 786 retracement. Now, I believe in the last video we talked about the 618, and we said that if Phantom was going to have a chance at a bottom, it would be at 49 cents. And if you don't bounce at 49 cents, then there's going to be another 17% crash down to the 786, which is where we are right now at 41 cents. So one would make the case that if Phantom falls below 41 cents, the price is actually not going to go back up. You'll actually go all the way back down to 27 cents. So what we're going to do here is just remove or move, I guess you would say, right? This is your new support at 41 cents, and your new resistance to break actually might have moved down because we made a new low. Yes. So you can see your resistance to break, as I clean this up, is now the 382 in the other direction at 57 cents. So if Phantom is able to break over 57 cents, we would be looking for a larger move up to 70 cents, at which point we could technically still make a lower high there. As you can see, the downtrend would be coming into play, which would still be bearish. But if we're able to get over 70 cents, we would look for 82, $1, and potentially 175 for Phantom. Now we would have to zoom all the way out and get a better chart, and we would say that Phantom, in order to confirm the big bull run, would have to once again get back over $1, because that's your 618 retracement. Now obviously you can see that you briefly went over it in 2024 and in 2023, but I'm curious to see what happened. Well, it does look like you briefly broke over it and then you fell right down anyway, but I would still make the argument that Phantom needs to get over $1 to confirm that it's finally bullish. Obviously, if it does the same thing again, then there's a chance maybe there were more coins added to supply that makes the chart look that way. I'm just trying to see if that's the case, because normally when the chart does that, there's usually more coins in circulation. But for the sake of the video's length, I'm not going to go any deeper than that. But generally, the 618 retracement would confirm a bull run, which would be 110. And if I remember correctly, we zoom out a little bit. If we actually, or zoom in rather, if we do take our fib from this high down to the low, 90 cents shows up, and then $1.10 shows up again. So I would still make the case that getting over $1.10 would pretty much confirm that Phantom is bullish. We would rally up to $2 and $3. Obviously, again, that 618 is where you already got tagged before. So if you want to say 90 cents, that's fine. And as we highlighted earlier, 55 cents shows up again. So it doesn't really matter how you draw it. In my opinion, we'll go back to the original one, which 70 cents is your 618 and 56 cents is your 382. So if we can get over 57 cents, I would say Phantom is bullish. And in order for there to be a big bull run, we would actually have to go back to this and say that 90 cents would break. And then obviously we would look for a new high up here somewhere once Phantom gets all the way back over that macro 618, which is all the way up at $1. Actually, I think it's $1.10. Yeah, so when Phantom gets back over $1.10, we would say bull run begins. That is pretty much it. None of this is financial advice.